Have you ever watched a video and just as the video was about to end, another screen pops up on the same video, just like this and this? Or maybe while watching, a small suggestion pops up on the right corner of your screen. These are called end screens and cards. Yes, they may look very simple, but they are powerful tools that helps you to keep people watching your videos. You know, when someone is watching your video and another suggestion of video pops up on the screen, it will make them to say, okay, what is this video talking about? And feel like, okay, let me still watch what this video is saying. You know, it helps you increase your subscribers, increase your watch time hours, and give you more visibilities because it keeps people glued to your page, to your channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add them step by step to your videos. So let's get right into the video. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole's Concept, and on this channel we talk about DIY YouTube growth tutorials on how to set up your YouTube channel and how to get monetized quickly, how to get subscribers, and we talk about random things that is happening. So if you're coming across my YouTube channel for the very first time, please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. You're welcome. Thanks for staying. Thank you for coming back to this channel. So on today's video, like I said earlier, I want to teach you on how to set up your video so that end screens and cards can appear on your video in order to give you more visibility, more watch time hours, and more subscribers. So let's get right into the video. Now, for us to set up the end screen and cards option on our video, we are going to be making use of our YouTube Studio. And for us to access our YouTube Studio, you will be needing a browser. So I'm very sure you have a browser on your phone. You can make use of any browser you have. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to be clicking on my browser, which is Chrome. So I'm making use of Chrome browser. And of course, I have been to my YouTube Studio today, so it's already appearing on my browser. I'll just click on it. This will take me to my channel dashboard. So this is my channel dashboard, and the next thing you're going to be doing is to click on content like so. Then you select the particular video you want the end screen and cards to appear on. That particular video, like after watching that video, the end screen and cards will suggest another video for your viewer. So click on the video. So this is the video I want to make use of. You scroll to the right corner of the video. Now under it you see subtitle, you see end screen and cards. So let's make use of end screen first. Click on the end screen. So it will appear like this. This is how it's going to appear. You can see it's still loading, but this is how it's going to appear. Like after watching this video, another video is going to be suggested to your viewers for them to watch. So, and if they see the see the title of the video, are interested, of course they'll be interested and they'll click and still watch it. So with that, it keeps them more on your channel. So these are the end screen and cards. We have different type of end screen and cards. We have one video, one subscribe. We have one video, one subscribe again. We have two videos. We have one video, one playlist, one subscribe. Depends on whatever you want. So I'll be going with one video, one playlist, and one subscribe. If it's two video you want, you know, if you want two video, it will appear. A video will appear at the right side and at the left side of the same video. So, but me, I'm going to be making use of one video, one playlist, and one subscribe. So you click on it. So now this is the example of how it's going to appear. This is example of how it's going to appear. So, and automatically YouTube is going to suggest a video. Like YouTube is going to choose any video of their choice for you. Like maybe your best performing video, YouTube is going to choose one for you and you choose the remaining one yourself. So for this place, video best for viewer, that YouTube is going to select a video for you. Then for the playlist, you used to choose a specific video, a video from your playlist, just like what we choose. We choose one video, one playlist, and subscribe. So you're going to be clicking on that playlist box like this. Click on it. So after clicking on it, it will appear like this. You see this pencil icon, click on it and choose that video. So that is how to do that. I've chosen a video of my choice, but you see that best video for viewers, this place, it's a place where you can change the video that YouTube suggested. You know, YouTube will choose a video for you automatically, but if you don't want the video that YouTube wants to choose for you, you can click on choose a specific video, but I'm not choosing another video, so I'm going to be leaving it like that. So this one is when this place is when do you want all these things to appear? So let's drag it. Maybe when the video is about 1 minute to end, like the particular video they are watching, it's about to end. So just drag this icon to when you want it to appear. That is for that subscribe when you want it to appear, you drag it. Okay. You click on the video best for viewer when do you want it to appear. You know it cannot appear at the beginning of your video. You drag it maybe to the end of the video or when the video is about to end. And also the playlist video, you drag it to where you want it to appear. So just like we time it. So we are done for that, and you click on save. Now you click on cut. It's still loading. Remember that I told you that cut is like also a suggestion, like it will write at the top right corner of that video what next, or suggesting a channel, directing them to another particular video, or write or the title of that video. So you know once it pops up on a particular video I watch, and I'm going to be watching this video after watching this particular video. I don't know if you understand. So it will come out like this. You can see this plus signs. You can see maybe it's a link. You can put a link there. You can suggest a playlist or a channel. So but I don't have any link I want to suggest, so I'm going to be making use of video. So you click on that plus icon, then you choose the particular video you want to make use of. So I'm going to be choosing, let's say, let me just choose this first one. So if you watch closely, you can see that claim it by faith. That is the title of the video I chose. That is the title. You can see that is the title. And when do you want it to appear? You drag it maybe to the end, almost when the video will end. That is when it will appear. So as a viewer, once it appears, I may like to, okay, what is this thing talking about? I'll just click and also watch. So you can see that it helps you to keep people to your channel to watch your video, which will help you increase your watch time hour or your subscribers, and also more visibility. I hope you understand. So I've chosen the video, and what I'm going to be doing now is to save. So we are done. Very simple and straightforward. That is how to do it. We are done. So, but make sure you remember to save everything you do. Okay, make sure you save it. And after that, that is all. So, guys, we are done. That is how to put end screen and cut on your video. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestion for me, please put it in the comment section. I would love to see your suggestion. Thank you so much for staying to this time. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.